Well, the group Canadians for Safe Technology points out that the World Health Organization classifies Wi-Fi radiation as a Class 2B possible carcinogen in the same category as lead and DDT. And they say there's no place for it in the classroom. It's a concern that's been spreading across the country.
No Wi-Fi!
And with the introduction of Peel Region's new BYOD policy, encouraging students to bring your own device to school, Wi-Fi worries have been growing. Christine Cahill picked up a flyer from Canadians for Safe Technology, or C4ST, at Canoli Public School.
I think technology, we need it in the schools, for sure. It's unavoidable. It has to happen. But I'm hoping that the people that are in the right positions and the authority make the right research and implement these things in a safe way for the children.
While her kids haven't suffered any ill effects from exposure to wireless routers, Wendy Coburn says her 9-year-old son has.
Gaming and different equipment that I had in my home, as well as in my car, would spark migraines that would turn into vomiting, and I was extremely concerned.
They've now eliminated Wi-Fi at their house and turned mobile devices to airplane mode when necessary. The Peel Board of Education says it's simply following the advice provided by health authorities such as Peel Public Health, Health Canada, and Public Health Ontario, which say there have been numerous studies on radio frequency exposure and its impacts on human health, but that there is no evidence of negative health effects of Wi-Fi. But C4ST President Frank Clegg says there are studies into the health dangers, and the onus should be on the companies and the schools to prove that the technology is not harmful. And as the former head of Microsoft Canada, his concern carries a lot of weight with many.
The concern we have is that particularly children, their bodies absorb radiation at a much higher rate than parents and adults. So we're here, you've got kids that are going into school where it's a 7-8-hour day and they're constantly being bombarded.
Clegg says there's no reason why schools couldn't use hard wires for their computers. He also says teachers should be able to turn off their Wi-Fi so it's not on when the children are not using it. C4ST estimates 3% of people experience some kind of immediate negative health reaction to Wi-Fi, and up to 30% may experience delayed effects. They say those numbers are from the American Academy of Environmental Medicine. With today's Lifetime, I'm Pauline Chan.